Musakto na ba ang 800,000 pesos nimo na tinigom kung ang imuhang monthly expenses kay 30,000 pesos? Let's do the math. If you have 800,000 pesos, you divide it by 30,000 pesos per month, that would give you approximately mga 2 years. Kung dili na jud ka mo trabaho kay gusto na ka mo retiro, di na ka ganahan maghimog anything in your life, you just want to relax from the money that you have saved. Definitely guys, kung 2 years ang lifespan sa imuhang 800,000 pesos, dako jud kayong odds na dili pa jud siya enough. Okay, most likely you're going to live longer, you're going to last more than 2 years, and wala pa po nato i-consider ang mga other things sama sa inflation and any other economical situations that could probably increase the cost sa ato ang lifestyle sa pagkakaroon. Good na naa kay 800,000, but realistically speaking, you may need to have an income source pa. Pwede po din mo i-consider na mag-invest ka, padayon ka po kang trabaho, and then whatever funds that you have, extra imong i-invest para maabot ang panahon na musaka pa ang value sa imuhang ipang-investan. Pwede po ka mabuhi from dividends or interest alone. But that is going to take a lot of time and a lot of money as well in order for that to happen. But it is not impossible. At least man lang ba, klaro sa atong direksyon na ngano ta nagatigom og kwarta. It's not just because of emergencies, it's not just because of the things that we want, but we also want to have our money work for us through an investment fund. Para sa imuha, pila ba ang imuhang retirement fund na kailangan in order for you to live maski na wala na kay income na mosulod? Ibutang daw sa comment section.